render this, and we want to render it from a camera, from a perspective viewpoint. So the best way to do that is to actually create a camera and then start to arrange these things to suit that fixed perspective, that camera angle. What looks good in a front view does not always look good in a perspective view. So we definitely want to create a camera. So I'll just bring up my grid. What I'm going to do is just go to my cameras here. I'm going to create a free camera. Just click anywhere in a front view, switch to a top view, and if I right click on all of the spinners here, it will go exactly back to world 0. And then I can slide it back in the Y-axis. And if I go into the modifier tab, what we want to do is use a wide angle camera, and I'll show you the difference that makes. If I just go to, I'm going to pull this back a little bit and go to that camera, just hitting C is the shortcut. See the amount of angle that I can see in here. Now, the larger I make this number, and then obviously I'm going to have to slide back. See how little those 3D angles on the inside of the text have become now? It's almost very hard to see that all of these letters are actually 3D. Now, granted, this is a very, very large lens or large setting. If we go 20 millimeters and then zoom in to frame up our text, have a look at how much extra 3D depth we get here. Now, be careful, there is a gotcha. If you start to go too small, if I was to go down to say 9 or something like that and come in, we start to lose a believable angle. We start to lose track of where this stuff is in 3D space because our eyes aren't used to processing it. So don't go silly on the lens settings. Just go with the 20 millimeter preset and then slide it back and frame it up in the shot. Now, don't move the camera. Just grab your text and just bump it